In the vast expanse of our universe, not all is calm and serene. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the cosmic battlefields, the celestial anarchies, the galactic infernos. Welcome to Cosmic Chaos, the 10 most violent galaxies in the observable universe. But before we dive in, let's set the stage. What makes a galaxy violent? It's not crime rates or intergalactic wars. We're talking about intense gravitational forces, massive black holes, colliding galaxies, and star formation on steroids. These cosmic events release energy on a scale that's almost impossible to comprehend. So, fasten your seatbelts, because this ride is about to get bumpy. Our first stop is NGC 1275, also known as Perseus A. If galaxies could be cannibals, this would be Hannibal Lecter, located about 237 million light-years away. This cosmic glutton is literally eating its neighbors for breakfast. But how does a galaxy eat another galaxy? It's all about gravity. NGC 1275's immense gravitational pull is drawing in smaller galaxies and gas clouds, tearing them apart and absorbing their material. This cosmic feast is fueling an incredible burst of star formation, with thousands of new stars being born each year. The violence doesn't stop there. At its center lies a supermassive black hole, belching out jets of high-energy particles and creating massive bubbles in the surrounding gas. It's like a cosmic jacuzzi, but instead of relaxing bubbles, we're talking about bubbles that could swallow our entire solar system. Next up, we have the peculiar galaxy, Centaurus A. At first glance, it might look like a peaceful, elliptical galaxy with a strange dust lane. But don't be fooled. This cosmic beast is hiding a violent secret. At its heart lies a supermassive black hole with a mass of 55 million suns. This cosmic monster is feasting on surrounding matter, creating a brilliant active galactic nucleus. But that's not all. See those massive jets extending from the center? They're streams of matter being ejected at nearly the speed of light, stretching for over 1 million light-years. That's like having a fire hose that could reach from Earth to the Andromeda Galaxy. These jets are so powerful they're punching holes in the galaxy's halo of gas and dust. It's like a cosmic game of pinball, with the jets acting as the flippers and nearby gas clouds as the unfortunate balls. Now, let's witness a cosmic car crash in slow motion. Meet ARP 299, a pair of galaxies caught in the act of colliding. Located about 140 million light-years away, this galactic smash-up is a violence enthusiast's dream. As these galaxies collide, massive shock waves compress huge clouds of gas and dust, triggering an explosion of star formation. We're talking about a cosmic fireworks display that puts our New Year's celebrations to shame. But that's not all. Astronomers have detected multiple supernova explosions in this system. These stellar time bombs are going off at a rate of nearly 1 per year. For comparison, in our Milky Way, we only see about 1 supernova every century. ARP 299 is showing us a glimpse of our own galactic future. In about 4 billion years, our Milky Way will collide with Andromeda, creating a similar cosmic spectacle. Our next stop is M87, home to one of the most photographed objects in the universe, the supermassive black hole that broke the internet in 2019. This elliptical galaxy might look unassuming, but it's a true heavyweight champion. Its central black hole has a mass of about 6.5 billion suns. That's over 1,000 times more massive than the black hole at the center of our Milky Way. This cosmic behemoth is constantly feeding, swallowing stars and gas, and converting their mass into pure energy. The process is so violent that it's ejecting massive jets of plasma at nearly the speed of light, extending for thousands of light-years. These jets are so powerful, they can be seen across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to gamma rays. It's like M87 is shouting its violence across the cosmos, daring us to look away. Now, let's watch some cosmic mice play a deadly game of cat and mouse. NGC 4676, better known as the Mice Galaxies, shows us what happens when galaxies get too close for comfort. These two spiral galaxies are in the process of merging, their gravitational forces pulling and stretching each other into long, tail-like structures. It's like a galactic tug-of-war, with stars and gas as the rope. But this cosmic dance is far from graceful. The intense gravitational forces are triggering bursts of star formation, while also disrupting existing star systems. Imagine if the stars in our night sky started to be pulled away. That's the kind of chaos we're seeing here. Over the next few 100 million years, these galaxies will continue to orbit each other, getting closer and closer until they finally merge into a single, giant elliptical galaxy. It's a reminder that in the cosmos, even destruction leads to creation. We're halfway through our tour of cosmic violence, and things are only going to get more intense. stay tuned as we explore 5 more of the most turbulent and chaotic galaxies in our observable universe. Our next stop takes us to a galaxy that seems straight out of science fiction. Meet 3C321, nicknamed the Death Star Galaxy. And yes, it's just as ominous as it sounds. What makes this galaxy so deadly? It's firing a jet of high-energy particles directly at its galactic neighbor. Imagine a cosmic blowtorch over 1 million light-years long, capable of stripping away atmospheres and sterilizing planets. This jet is so powerful that it's disrupting star formation in the unlucky companion galaxy and may even be ripping away its cosmic lifeblood, the gas and dust needed to form new stars. It's like watching a galactic invasion in slow motion. Don't let its small size fool you. IC-10 might be a dwarf galaxy, but it's punching well above its weight class in terms of violence. This little powerhouse is undergoing what astronomers call a starburst, a period of extremely intense star formation. It's creating new stars at a rate 10 times faster than our Milky Way, despite being only a fraction of the size. But with rapid birth comes rapid death. Many of these newly formed stars are massive and short-lived, ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. IC-10 is like a cosmic fireworks factory, with explosions going off constantly. Now, let's scale up the violence to truly mind-boggling proportions. The Phoenix Cluster is home to one of the most voracious black holes ever observed. At the heart of this galaxy cluster lies a supermassive black hole that's breaking cosmic records. It's devouring surrounding matter at a rate of about 1,000 solar masses per year. That's like swallowing 3 suns every day. This feeding frenzy is so intense that it's causing the surrounding gas to cool and fall inwards, fueling even more growth. It's a cosmic cycle of gluttony that puts all our earthly, all-you-can-eat buffets to shame. Our penultimate stop is Hercules A, a galaxy that's really flexing its cosmic muscles. In visible light, it looks like a rather unremarkable elliptical galaxy. But switch to radio waves, and you'll see something truly spectacular. 2 massive plasma jets stretching over 1.5 million light-years across space. These jets are powered by a central black hole with a mass of 2.5 billion suns. The energy released by this cosmic powerhouse is equivalent to about 1 billion supernovae. It's like having a cosmic blowtorch that could easily reach from the Milky Way to Andromeda. For our final stop, we're taking a journey into the future, about 4 billion years from now. This is when our very own Milky Way will collide with our nearest large galactic neighbor, Andromeda. This cosmic crash will be a slow-motion spectacle lasting over billions of years. Stars will be thrown into new orbits, massive bursts of star formation will occur, and the supermassive black holes at the centers of both galaxies will eventually merge. The end result? A giant elliptical galaxy that astronomers have dubbed Milkomeda. It's a reminder that even our own cosmic home isn't immune to the violent forces shaping our universe. And there you have it, the 10 most violent galaxies in our observable universe. From cosmic cannibals to galactic collisions, these celestial objects remind us that the universe is a place of incredible power, constant change, and awe-inspiring beauty. If you've enjoyed this cosmic rollercoaster ride, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more journeys through the wonders of space. And remember, every time you look up at the night sky, you're witnessing the aftermath of cosmic violence on an unimaginable scale. Until next time, keep wondering and stay cosmic.